Yes, ma'am.
Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw any chord AB. अब हमें इसमें chord draw करनी है circle draw करने के बाद. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Then we have to construct perpendicular bisector and examine if it passes through C. Then we have to check whether this perpendicular bisector passes through the center or not. Is the question clear? Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now how to draw a circle? Everybody knows we have done in first exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show me the question once again?
Yes, definitely, beta, definitely. देखो.
Ma'am, what's the last word written?
Passing through C.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I want a circle of 3.4. 3.4.
Ma'am, Ananya Sahu is a younger sibling of Nisha Sahu, who is in our class 12.
Ananya, do you have elder sister?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, no.
No, okay. I don't think so. Yes, 3.4. Just see how we are going to open 3.4, children. Can we all locate 3.4 on the ruler and adjust it like this? Like this. Okay. Now I'm going to construct I'm going to draw a circle. Yes, we got the circle?
Yes, ma'am.
And mark this center as C. Mark this center as C. Mark this center point as C. I'm trying to show you the closer view.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now the question says draw any chord AB. No, I will draw any chord AB like this. Everybody knows the chord? We've done in 5th chapter. A line segment whose endpoints lie on the boundary of the circle.
Ma'am, a line segment that does not passes through the center.
No, it's not that. It's not that. It can pass through center.
No, it can pass through
diameter. That's why we call longest chord in as diameter. Chord is the line segment that whose endpoint should be on the boundary of the circle. Whose endpoint should be on the circle. Okay. Now here, this is the chord I have drawn, AB. We can draw any chord like this.
Ma'am, which number question is this?
This is question number 6, beta. Question number 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, we all have already learned how to draw perpendicular bisector. We have already learned how to draw perpendicular bisector.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We are going to construct perpendicular bisector of AB. All of you start constructing perpendicular bisector of AB. Open the compass more than half of AB. One arc above, one arc below from B. Same way, same radius from A. Draw above, draw below arc like this. When you join this perpendicular bisector, joining is important. Is it passing through C? Yes, it is passing through C. It is passing through C, like here you can see. It is passing through C. Suppose I name this as PQ. Okay, we will write PQ perpendicular bisector of AB passes through center C of the circle. Don't worry, you will try this with these two questions again. In case anybody has any query, we can take these two questions again tomorrow. Don't worry at all. अगर आपसे आज नहीं बना है तो परेशान नहीं होना है. Draw these again at home without my help and let me know tomorrow. I will go for the next question only if and only if everybody says that we are able to draw.
Ma'am, please show the question for one.
Hanji, I will show you. Look here. I'll try to show you question as well as the solution. I'm just trying to adjust the camera.
Ma'am, I cannot see the question.
Okay. The question is there in your book, beta. Just note down. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. You got the message of 10 minutes. Doesn't matter.
Drawn the circle.
Draw any chord. I'll check everybody's work. Draw any chord AB. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB and examine if it passes through C. Examine if it passes through C. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody